Hey folks, we've seen waves of light rain moving onto the coast today, but most of it not making it back into the western part of the valley. You look, there's plenty more out there where this has come from too. But once you get to about the Hidalgo Cameron County line, not a whole lot makes it past that. That's kind of where it stops. It's still there right now. So Harlingen, LaFeria, Mercedes getting some rain. By the time you get to Weslaco, not so much left. All this though will continue pushing off to the west and northwest, and I think we'll see waves of this, and some of it will make it into the upper valley. This is creeping a little bit farther as we speak. Some of it will make it there tonight into tomorrow, but certainly the most persistent rain, the heaviest stuff, is likely to be along the coast, like we're seeing on the island right now. Pretty good rain there. Port Isabel, Laguna Vista, Laguna Heights. Future Track suggests that batch moves to the west, but there's more behind it. As we get into tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, some more rain along the coast. And the exact timing, you know, is tough to say, but if you notice as we watch the maps, the one consistent thing is it's almost always raining near the coast. There's some breaks, but it's pretty persistent at the coast, and that's not just tomorrow, but into Friday and Saturday as well. So rainfall totals there likely to be the biggest before this is all said and done. Even into Saturday, pretty good rain. So watch what Future Track's projecting now as we go through the next 24 hours into tomorrow evening. Western part of the valley, a third to maybe a half an inch along the coast, perhaps as much as an inch or more. Let's go another day now into Friday, and notice the yellows and oranges begin to show up, and that's up here on the high end of things, and that's cumulative through the next 2 days, but still along the coast some pretty significant rainfall a possibility. You go into Saturday and it just continues to grow, and really into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, those numbers just continue to climb. While the upper valley, yes, we'll see rain. Looks like the heaviest stuff will be near the coast. And if you take a look at the next 7 days, it's not going away anytime soon. Look at this, 60, 60, 70, 60, 50, 40% Tuesday and Wednesday. The chance of rain is good through the next several days. It's going to be overcast. It's just a question of when we're able to squeeze rain out of those clouds. And it looks like we'll be able to do that quite regularly over the next few days. These are the temperatures right now. Everybody's in the 60s, 64 in Port Isabel, 61 in Brownsville. Overnight lows end up in the upper 50s with about a 40% chance of overnight rain. And then tomorrow we're back up into the mid 60s again. Not that much different than today, with northerly winds at about 12 to 25 miles per hour. Look at the next 7 days. We try to warm it up a little bit into Saturday, but then we go right back down on Monday back to 70, and then we climb back up again. But all of these days well below the seasonal norm, which is 87 degrees. Rest of Texas still chilly. In West Texas, it's still raining there, 47, 48 when you get out in that part of the state. A lot of rain out there still. Fortunately, this is a little bit northwest of where all that flooding was yesterday, but still Future Track says there will be more rain in that region, just like there will be here. That old front still stalled offshore. A little bit of a coastal trough kind of lining up and down right on top of us, and that's where most of the rain will be, is right where that little trough is, all the way into and through the weekend. It's just a strong feed of tropical moisture into the region, and that keeps our rain chance high for the next several days. Didn't get cool in Florida. Front didn't make it there. 82 Daytona Beach, 85 in Key West. But go to the north, it's chilly. 42 in Syracuse, 50 in Pittsburgh. Get up into Marquette, it's 32. International Falls in the 30s. So there is cold weather on the weather map. A little colder than you'd expect even for this time of year. So tonight, cloudy and chilly here, 58 for a low with a few passing showers. Then tomorrow, cloudy, breezy, cool, and scattered showers again. The most significant rainfall likely near the coast. And over the course of the next 4 to 6 days along the coast, there is potential for some flooding. It's just a matter of the rainfall just accumulates. It gets more and more and more. And by the time you get to 5, 6, 7 days down the road, you've had 5 to 7 inches. You could start to see some flooding problems. So there you go. Chance of rain all the way through next Wednesday. Temperatures do come back into the 70s beginning on Friday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.